Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will help you that how you can get a free international number for making your WhatsApp account. If you want to make your fake WhatsApp account or any other international number you want to make an account, then follow my few steps and settings to do this. First of all, you have to open your Play Store. From here you have to search an amazing app that is free to own. After installing the app, make an account of this app. I have already installed this. Now go back, open the app. Now click on numbers, get a first phone number. Here's all countries. You can select any country you want. I select Australia. There are the numbers you can choose and make your WhatsApp account. Choose any numbers and any country you want and get a free phone number to make an account. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.